assignment 2, Sudoku GUI. So this will bring the game up when you run the code. The game controller controls the game logic. So that's the UI, handles the moves, validation, manages the game state. Database manages the Derby database, save game data, manages the save game information, grid data, difficulty, mode, playtime, save date. Statistics data saves the stats in the database. So win rate, games played, games completed by difficulty. Puzzle generator generates the puzzles. And then based on difficulty, it will remove the numbers. Difficulty level, easy, medium, hard, expert. You got classic mode and time mode, and game mode will be the switch bit in between. Okay, so you've got game mode right here. You got the two. Alright. You got puzzle and Sudoku puzzle, so these will generate the puzzles respectively. Puzzle uses a template method pattern. Sudoku puzzle generates the 9x9 puzzle grid and has the undo functionality as well as a move validator. We've got move, so move controls the, or it stores rather, the rows, columns, old value, new value, timestamp. Basic hint strategy finds the cell with only one valid number and provides a specific hint, and then the hint will define the cell with the hint. So what that means is when you press the hint button, so for example, you start a new game first, you press the hint button, it says only 9 can go to A2. So that's what those two do. And then you've got your unit test, which then is moved over to the test packages. Control panel. So control panel, that controls the buttons, new game, save, load, undo, hint, auto solve. Control, so game panel, that is for your 9x9 grid coordinate system with your A through I rows, 1 through 9 columns. Handles the input for the keyboard and mouse. So load game dialog, that's for your games that have been saved and you want to load back up. So for example, you want to load test 1, so you load it, as you can see. So that's what that does. The mainframe, so that's your top file game help. So you got new game save and load, you got your auto solve, hint, and statistics. So this is for your games 1, your rate for your difficulty levels, and that links up with the statistics dialog, which I just opened up the window. And then you got your status panel. So your status panel is for your real-time display for your difficulty. So this is the status panel here, or I should say game status here. Okay, and that covers it, and you can see the game is working. So on expert, you'll have even less numbers. Okay, and you can auto solve